question is?
The question is...
What makes the charter school better for you?
The charter school makes it better for me because I like how the lunch choices are much healthier than other schools. And our school has a salad bar, plus every class gets to plant a garden. And usually some of the salad is actually the lettuce that we grow in our garden and the things that we grow, and some of the tomatoes, and some of the cucumbers. And really every year you have a garden. And so I think that's really cool. And we also have a basket of worms. Every 2 classes has a basket of worms. So our class takes care of some of the worms, and I think it's very cool because we kind of feed the worms. We also have chickens at our school, so we get eggs from the chickens. Some of the 5th graders, I think, they get to take home the eggs. And birds are loud there, just like my Ewing's buddies.
Oh my gosh. Okay.
And that's why my school is awesome, and that's why I love it so much.
You'd be better facing it.
Okay. What makes the charter school better for my children? So I think the biggest thing for me is that I think this is the last pillar that I didn't remember actually in terms of what it emphasizes, which is, look at this craziness, project-based learning. And I really believe in project-based learning as the only way to learn. Okay, I'll talk about electives. And everything the kids do is based around a project. So, for example, in the 2nd grade, they do these units, and so everything they do is about the topic. So what's your unit? What unit are you guys doing right now?
Well, since it's Black History Month, it's kind of about famous people who are African American.
What other units have you done throughout the year?
Space, monarchs,
Bats.
horseshoe crabs, bats, owls.
And there's more. But anyway, what they do is all of their everything has to do with that particular topic. So all their reading is about that topic. Their Hannah, they do data gathering and math about the topic, and then they usually do a field trip where they go out and explore. And one of the things they got to do this year is they went and tagged monarchs at Point Lookout State Park, which is like a very big deal. Right, Hannah? Yeah. And so the project-based learning is really important to me. I would much rather have them actually creating something real and thinking about something real and learning that way than just working on worksheets all day long about random things. And project elective is another cool feature. Oh, community. That's the other part of the charter school too. They have all this community stuff. So every Friday they have community gathering, and so the whole school comes together every week and they highlight different things that the grades are doing. And one of the things that they do that's also a community emphasis aspect is they have this thing called Project Elective. So parents come in and teachers, and every Friday for the last hour of the day?
I think it's hour and a half.
So the last hour and a half, they get to pick a new elective every 2 months or something?
Every month, I think.
Every month. And they get to go to this special thing on Friday for whatever their topic is. So what are some of the electives that you've done?
I've done
She's
how
ready
to
for
be
swim practice, sorry.
a princess. I actually painted a sail with monarch butterflies during my monarch unit. It was like awesome. We painted a sail that actually goes on a sailboat. So right now I'm doing simple science experiments.
What kind of experiments have you done so far?
Every day we have a topic, and this last week's topic was, I think it was how solid or liquid. And then the week before that was water. The week before that was how many drops can a penny hold of water.
Oh my gosh. Okay. So anyway, that's a feature that I like a lot too, is all the project-based learning and the community aspect of the charter school. We love CPCS.